Hello friends, today our topic is REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. These are the most popular and flexible API forms on the web today. The client sends the request to the server as a data. The server uses this client input to start internal function and return output data back to the client as per their request. The REST defines a set of functions like get, put, delete, etc. that client can use to access server data. Client and server exchange data using HTTP protocols. Now let me explain you about the features of the REST API. So the main feature of the REST API is statelessness. Statelessness means that the server do not save client data between the request. Client requests to the server are similar to URLs you type in your browser to visit a website. The response from the server is plain data without the typical graphical rendering of the web page. So these will optimize the API request. REST API is also a lightweight API which is easy to build and maintain. So these are some features of the REST API.